Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Seminole, Florida. I am at my home garage / shop today, and I am very happy to have delivered yesterday my Metabow PE 15-20 new rotary polisher. It is an RT. That means rat tail on the back. And I am going to be able to put this through the paces. It got delivered yesterday from Walmart.com. I made a video. You can look probably a video or two before this one, and you can see everything you ever wanted to know about Metabow rotary. So I'm going to use the wool pad today. My previous video is about paint transfer. This spot right here was a nice, big, beautiful white paint spot from a mailbox. One of my neighbors actually has seen me working on cars for the last year here, and he said, "Hey, I got a little scratch from the mailbox at my grandma's, and I wondered if you know anything about polishing." And so then when the mom found out, she said, "I just got hit. Can you do both cars at once?" And I said, "Yes." You can see this is kind of an impact right here. I don't know how well that'll show, but I can't see anything. I'm blinded. So here's a big, well, not a big dent, but a dent here. And I just did the previous video on paint transfer removal using 266 goof off and also odorless mineral spirits. And so took care of all the transfer. I didn't go over in that video just how much transfer there was, but all along here, this was all white. This was a hit and run actually from the mom, who is my neighbor. So it already looks dramatically much better. However, I, of course, after doing a rinseless wash and now doing the paint transfer removal, the next step is to try and remove as much of these scratches as I can. I am going to turn the vehicles around. I'm here in Florida. It's supposed to be 72 today. But the sun is coming up, and it's coming up facing this side, so I'm going to turn both vehicles around. But I thought while I had some nice, beautiful sunshine, I would get as much as I can. This scratch here is extremely deep. Won't be able to remove that, but we'll make it look as good as we can. So that's going to be the process. This will be kind of actually part 2 of 3. First transfer, then scratch removal, and then I'll come in for the after as well. So just wanted to bring you in with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscription notification if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you get a notification when new videos come up. And I will talk to you guys later. Leave some comments. I always like to see some nice comments, some thumbs up. Always appreciate that. And again, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. And until I see you on part 3, you guys all take care, and I hope you are having a great day. Thanks. Bye.